kids! Today we're going to learn about colors, shapes, and even a little about our friends from Baby Shark. Using these cool egg toys. Do you know how many eggs are in 1 dozen? Yeah, it's 12. Let's count the eggs together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 eggs. 12 eggs makes 1 dozen. But hey, these aren't just any eggs. They have special surprises inside. Let's check it out. All right, here are eggs. Let's see what we got. This egg is blue and it has a diamond shape inside of it. And on top of the diamond is a seashell. This egg is yellow and it has a triangle inside of it. On top of the triangle is a blue jellyfish. This egg is a dark indigo color and it has an oval shape inside of it. On top of the oval is Grandpa's shark. This egg is light blue and it has a square inside of it. On top of the square is Mommy Shark. This egg is magenta and it has a heart inside of it. The heart has Grandma Shark on it. This egg is orange and it has a circle inside of it. The circle has a green turtle on it. This egg is lime green and it has a crescent moon shape inside of it. The crescent moon has a seashell, a star, and a couple of bubbles on it. This egg is green and it has a hexagon inside of it. The hexagon has Daddy Shark. This egg is a golden yellow color and it has a pentagon inside of it. The pentagon has our friend, Baby Shark. This egg is pink and it has a star inside of it. The star has a pink starfish on it. This egg is purple and it has a rectangle inside of it. The rectangle has pink coral reef on it. Last but not least, this egg is mint green and has a cross, or you could say it's a plus sign inside. Pictured on top of the plus sign is William. He's an orange fish. Now that we've seen all of our eggs, let's try matching them back up with their other halves. All right, time to match our eggs back up. Starting with, here's our golden yellow egg, the pentagon, and Baby Shark. Do you see which egg that Baby Shark should go with? It's this one right here. See you later, Baby Shark. All right, let's move on to our next egg. It's our pink egg with the star on it and the pink starfish. Do you see where our pink starfish should go? Yeah, it's this one right here. Back to your home, little starfish. All right, let's keep going. Here's our blue egg with the diamond on it and a seashell. Do you see which egg the seashell should go with? Should it go here? No. It looks kind of similar to the diamond, but the shape and the color are not quite right. Better try again. Yeah, it's this one way over on the left. Here you go, seashell. Now let's look at this egg. The mint green egg with the plus sign inside and our orange friend, William. Do you see which egg that William should go to? Yeah, it's this one down here. Happy swimming, William. All right, let's move on to our next egg. It's the light blue egg with the square and mommy shark inside. Do you see which egg mommy shark should go with? Yeah, this one down here. Bye, mommy shark. All right, who's next? It's our magenta egg with the heart inside and Grandma Shark. Do you see which egg Grandma Shark should go with? Should she go here? No, not that one. Better try again. Which egg should Grandma Shark go to? Yeah, you can see the heart right here. Sleep tight, Grandma Shark. All right, let's do another one. It's our lime green egg with the crescent moon inside, and the seashell, the star, and some bubbles. Do you see where this egg should go to? Yeah, it's this one right here. Here you go, guys. All right, let's move on. It's our green egg with the hexagon and Daddy Shark. Do you see which egg Daddy Shark should go with? Yeah, this one right down here. Bye, Daddy Shark. All right, let's do another one. It's our purple egg with the rectangle and the pink coral reef inside. Do you see which egg the coral reef should go with? Yeah, it's this one way over on the right. Let's put you away, coral reef. All right, we're running out of eggs here. Only 3 left. Let's do this egg, the orange egg with the circle and the green turtle inside. Do you see which egg our turtle should go back to? Yeah, this one right here in the front. He's gonna swim real slow back to his egg. Only 2 left. It's our yellow egg with the triangle and the blue jellyfish inside. Do you see which egg our jellyfish should go back with? Yeah, it's this one way over here. All right, there's only 1 egg left, and it's kind of obvious where it should go. Let's check it out. It's our dark indigo egg with the oval inside and Grandpa Shark. Time to take your nap, Grandpa Shark. All right, we did it. We matched all of our eggs back by their colors, shapes, and the characters inside them. Thanks so much for playing with me. I hope you had fun. Do you know the words to the Baby Shark song? It's pretty catchy. I'll see you again next time. Bye!